In this video, I'm going to show you how to get voice changer in Vrchat. All you have to do is to type in voicemod.com, and now the first results, click on enter, and this is the website of the voice mod. Click on download for free. Now just type in your email to log in, and download will start shortly, as you can see. And now, as you can see, the download is finished. Just click on it and the installation app will open up for you. Go ahead, click on OK, choose your language, then click on next, then click on I agree, and click on next again, click on next again, and here you can create a shortcut, or you can go ahead, click on next, and wait for the installation to take place. This is a quick process, just give it some time to install by itself. And now the install has been finished. Just click on finish and wait for the installation to take place, as you can see. And now the app has been installed. Just click on get started, then click on next, then select your microphone and headphones, then click on next, then click on start your voice mod. So this is the app interface, as you can see, and these are the voices. And now to get voice changer in Vrchat, just go ahead, open up the Vrchat app, and after you get it opened, just click on this gear icon, which is settings, then go ahead, click on sound, as you can see now, and scroll down. Just scroll down under microphone and then click on change device, and for the voice changer to work, just click on the virtual audio device, which is voice mod, as you can see, and the voice changer will work for you. So this was a quick and easy process. As always, thank you for watching.